Question and answer. Here is a picture of a village. Look, don't you see many houses? Answer. There are many families living in this village. All these groups of families are called community. Second question. What are the futures of the community according to Ravi's story? Answer. Worker, agri laborers. Second one, transport. Third one, no legal status. Third question, write the accepts identified by you in the given picture. Answer. First one, human beings, agricultural process, bullocks, goat, wheel. Second one, buildings, human beings, buses, road. Third one, human beings, trees, rock. Fourth question, differentiate agricultural activities and non-agricultural activities and write them separately. Answer. Agricultural activities: cultivation of soil, cropping, farming operation, plowing the land to grow crops, harvesting the crop. Non-agricultural activities: blacksmith, carpentry, basket weaving, fishery, pottery. Fifth question, make a list of implements required by a farmer for agricultural activities. Answer. Increase the productivity of land, replace activities that are extremely inefficient in use of them. Write are the various occupations found in villages. Answer. Dairy, fishery, sericulture, weaving, blacksmithing, carpentry, basket weaving, pottery, craft work, etc. Seventh question, what are the problems faced by people in villages? Answer. Villages have problems related to hygiene, health, jobs and education. Eighth question, write any one program implemented by the government for rural development. Answer. Rozgar Yojana and Jawahar Gram Samruddhi Yojana for educated youth in villages to set up their own small scale industries. Ninth question, what programs have been introduced for the upliftment of villages by the state and central government? Answer. Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Yojana and Jawahar Gram Samruddhi Yojana. Second one, Sarva Shikshana Abhiyana. Third one, Nirmala Grama Yojana. Fourth one, Bhagya Lakshmi Yojana. Fifth one, Ashraya Yojana. 10th question, what do you see when you visit a city? Answer. Buildings, roads, companies, etc. 11th question, look at the pictures given below. Write what kind of job these people are engaged in. Answer. Banking, medical persons, shopkeepers, mechanic, electrician, doctor, painting, company, traders. 12th question, what are the problems you face if you are living in a city? Answer. First one, housing problem in cities. Second one, traffic jam. Third one, pollution in industrial areas. Fourth one, disposal of garbage. Fifth one, slum areas. Sixth one, water pollution. 13th question. Discuss the environmental hazards due to the development of cities. Answer. Large volume of uncollected waste create multiple health hazards. Second one. Intensive urban growth can lead to greater poverty, with local governments unable to provide services for all people. Third one. Concentrated energy use leads to greater air pollution with significant impact on human health. Fourth one. Pollution and physical damage to root growth promote loss of urban tree cover. 14th question. What are the programs launched by the state and the central government for making life in urban areas better? Answer. First one, sewage system. Second one, supply of pure drinking water. Third one, construction of systematic market complexes. Fourth one, construction of well-planned bus and railway stations. Fifth one, laying of ring roads around the city. Sixth one, development of parks. Next, 15th question. Identify the occupation of the tribals in the given picture and write them in the space given. Answer. Buffalo killing, honey removal, waving, planting plant. 16th question. Which tribal community do you know? Answer. First one, Soliga of Mysuru district. Second one, Koragas of Dakshina Kannada. Third one, Jainu Kurubas and Yeravas of Kodagu. 17th question. Look at the pictures. Who are they? Answer. Waving, doing the gym, drawer, singer, doll maker, cricketers, film actress, newsreader, dancing. 18th question. Here are the picture of the some achievers. Who are they? Can you identify and write the field of their achievement? Answer. Lata Mangeshkar, singer. Second one, Bismillah Khan, Shehnai Samrat. Third one, Bhimsen Joshi, Hindustani classical singer.